Good morning to all of you. Here we are going to learn second part of the story Who is the Greatest. In first part we learn the story of Mushtaq and solving the question by Birbal. So it creates humor. Now we will turn towards the second part. On another
occasion, Akbar was relaxing with some of his courtiers. A few of them thought this was a good opportunity to shower praise on the emperor and get some favors from him. On another occasion means incident or moment. Akbar was relaxing with some of his courtiers. Relaxing means he was resting with some of his courtiers, the people in his court. They are called as courtiers. A few of them thought this was a good opportunity to shower praise on the emperor. Opportunity means good time or chance. And these courtiers they thought that this is the time to shower praise. Praise means honor or to glorify the emperor and get some favors from him. Favors means goodwill. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. Compete means to show superiority. You are the greatest of the kings. Greatest is the superlative degree. Great, greater, greatest. Great is positive degree, greater is comparative degree, and greatest is the superlative degree. You are the greatest of the kings or emperors that ever lived on the earth. Means there was no other king as great as you. You are the greatest of all the people in heaven or earth. You are as great as God Almighty. You are greater than the God Almighty. Now Akbar was no fool. He did not care for false praise. He stopped the courtiers and asked, "Do you all believe so?" Here, why Akbar asked such question to the courtiers? Because he himself was knowing that I cannot be compared with the God Almighty. Because God is only greatest here on the earth and also in the heaven. All right then, prove it to me. Tell me at least one thing that I can do, but God Almighty will not be able to do. Otherwise, you will all incur our royal displeasure. You have till tomorrow morning to prove it. Here, King Akbar gave particular time to his courtiers to prove that they are right. Otherwise, you will all incur our royal displeasure. Incur our royal displeasure means make me angry. Akbar then left the place without another look at the courtiers. They were in a proper fix. They thought and thought but could not think of any such thing. In the end, they went to Birbal. When Birbal heard their story and he told them not to worry. King Akbar left the place without another look. Means he got so much angry with the courtiers that he did not even turn back. And they were now in a proper fix. In a proper fix means in a tight corner or in a difficult situation. In the end, they went to Birbal. When Birbal heard their story, he told them not to worry. The next morning, the court was full. Everyone was curious to see what would happen next. Curious means eager. Well, said the emperor, have you found a good answer to my question? Or are you ready to leave the court forever? When the king entered the court, he was very much angry with the courtiers and he asked them answer for his question. Just then, Birbal stepped forward and bowed low. Please don't be angry with those who think you are the greatest. There is certainly at least one thing that you can do, but the God Almighty cannot. Then Birbal stepped forward and with respect he bowed down. And he requested the king not to get angry because they are saying that you are the greatest, but they are not wrong at all because there is certainly one thing that you can do, but the God Almighty cannot. Akbar looked at Birbal thoughtfully. And what is that one thing? When Birbal told Akbar that certainly there is at least one thing that he can do but God Almighty cannot, that time king was curious or eager to know what now further answer Birbal is going to give to my question. So he asked him, what is that one thing? Let me know. Birbal very humbly told him that when you want to punish someone, you can banish that person, you can throw him out of your kingdom. But God's kingdom extends everywhere. So the Almighty cannot banish anyone from his kingdom. Extends means expands, and banish means cast out or throw out. Akbar's face was lit up with a smile. Lit up with a smile means King Akbar became very happy with the answer given by Birbal. That was very clever, Birbal. While showing how I have an advantage, you have also shown that God is greater, and I believe you. Here, Birbal has given very clever answer. He was knowing that Akbar is a king and he has his own reputation and status in the court. So he gave such an answer where he had not put King Akbar down but he raised him. So Akbar was so pleased with the answer that he forgave the courtiers for their stupidity. Students, here we have finished with our second story of this lesson. Now I will give you the homework. Read the lesson carefully and try to find out the answers
of given questions. So here are question on the screen. Write a sentence each about three of your friends. Each time you should say what your friend cannot do and yet pay a compliment to your friend. So next question. Write a short note on Emperor Akbar. Here are 6 points given. You can make use of these 6 points in your answer. Write it properly. Then convert the stories into dialogues and read the dialogues aloud in the class. So here in this 6th question you are going to convert 2 part of the story into dialogues and you can read it while you will be in the class. Then 7th question of this last part of this video is also as like a 6th question. So you can write a pair presentation. Afterward, when we will be in the school, we will present it. Thank you. Thus, we have finished 1.2 lesson. I hope you understand this lesson properly. Here, degree comparison is there, superlative, positive and compare. In grammar section, we will revise it. So, take care.